Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make it look like someone's taking a picture of this lady on a dock, like you see on the screen right now. I got both the media from Pixabay. The phone had a background and a screen on it. I made the screen and the background transparent, as you see, and I got the media we're going to use to make it look like we're taking a picture of her. It's just a still, no video, and go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up there in the way. We'll bring the phone down. Merge it into the media in. And select the merge. Use that to position your phone. Now we'll bring the original media in. That's this one here. Merge that into the media in. And select the merge. And go to the size. We'll zoom in on it. I'm going to go a little extra just so it shows well for the tutorial. And select the media in 3. Get a polygon. Make sure you close the loop on your polyline, and it should zoom in when you do that. If you need to move them around, select this Modify Only tool. That way you won't screw your polyline up, put any extra points in it. And I highlight a point, and then you can use the arrows on the keyboard to move it. I'm not going to spend too much time lining it up. If it looks too artificial, you might want to add a blur node to it. I'll add one to show you. Select this media and add a blur. Now it'll only blur what's on the screen. I don't need it here. This media is not that vibrant. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.